We are pleased to welcome Athena Finance to the Metis Ecosystem, a protocol ready to uplevel DeFi on the most efficient L2. In this video, we'll explore how Athena Finance works with Hummus Exchange, our decentralized AMM for stable swaps. On Hummus Exchange, users can provide single asset liquidity with no impermanent loss and ultra low slippage. Hummus users can hold HUM tokens or stake them for veHUM to boost liquidity mining yield. Athena Finance leverages its own veHUM supply, allowing depositors to take advantage of boosted yield opportunities without the need to stake their HUM or worry about accruing veHUM. Depositors on Athena Finance can earn boosted returns in HUM, the native token of Hummus Exchange. To further maximize their rewards, depositors have the option to convert their HUM to xHUM and stake it on Athena's platform. Staking xHUM can help users earn a share of Athena's revenue, and Athena further incentivizes xHUM staking by rewarding stakers with ATH, the native protocol token. Please note, when you convert HUM to xHUM on Athena, that HUM is owned by Athena and locked forever on Hummus Exchange. You can trade your xHUM for HUM in the future if liquidity pools exist, and Athena does plan to incentivize HUM xHUM liquidity provision. Boosting yields on your deposit has never been easier. Athena Finance provides a simple and convenient compound button, empowering depositors to compound their rewards effortlessly. With boosted veHUM rewards and compounded earnings, Hummus depositors on Athena Finance enjoy significantly better yields compared to farming on their own. ATH is the native token for Athena Finance. It has three primary use cases. ATH lockers receive a portion of Athena's protocol fees. Users can lock their ATH for 4 weeks at a minimum and in return receive a share of protocol fees and gauge voting rights for Hummus, based on Athena's accumulated veHUM balance. Voting earns users even more rewards from bribes. ATH token holders can also provide liquidity to ATH and Metis pairs to receive incentivized emissions. And eventually, Athena Finance will establish decentralized governance where ATH emission weighting and bonus emissions will be determined by community. It's time to bring greater capital efficiency to DeFi on Metis. With Athena Finance here to support Hummus, you can do more with less. To learn more about Athena Finance, check out the links in our show notes, and to learn more about Hummus Exchange, check out the video linked below.